one day when I came to the CDM, I saw squealing kids running all over the place, exploring the different airplanes that you could make, and this wind tunnel where the airplanes could fly around. It was just wonderful to see. And I could tell that the parents were as happy could be. Hi, I'm Sharon Kuroda. I'm so glad to meet you. What I am is a member of the Children's Discovery Museum Board. I've been a retired elementary school teacher right here in the Longview area, in Tudor Lake area, 36 years. And then also, I just recently retired as a professional with the marvelous Boy Scouts of America, 36 years too.
Hi, my name is Morgan Rawson, and I am the president of the Children's Discovery Museum. I am a local realtor in Cowlitz County, and I have been on the board for 2 years.
Hi, I'm Beatrice Gutierrez Rush. I was part of the original founding board that started in 2016.
Hi, my name is Kelsey Hubbard, and I am the board secretary for the Children's Discovery Museum. I'm also the office administrator for We Care Daycare and Preschool and a volunteer for a local Girl Scout troop.
Having a place like the CDM right here in Cowlitz County is something that we can treasure, that we're so fortunate to have, and we want it to be here forever and ever and ever.
I love the museum because I love to see the growth and the connection that happens within families. It is a very special place to be, and it's very, very rewarding to get to be a part of it.
We have a lot of exciting programs that we do. We change our exhibits quarterly about. We have a lot of hands-on activities for children in our community, and the families, moms and dads and grandparents come here a lot, as I do.
I'm a mom of 2 girls, and I really enjoy coming into the museum with them, just kind of like playing and exploring together and spending one-on-one time with them here in the museum, and that's the reason that I started to volunteer as well.
They explore, they go through, they learn about animals, they can see animal tracks, they can throw a bowling ball and knock it over, and then run over it, and then row in some boats and everything, and explore so much more for their creativity.
It's a fun place. I bring my own grandkids here. Every Wednesday I'm here with my grandson.
One of my favorite parts about being in the museum is getting to explore with the kiddos that come in here to play.
I love to come for our big events. We recently had the first responders, and it was so fun to have all the kids getting to visit with the policemen and the firemen.
I love getting on the ground and building a big floor puzzle with them, or playing dress up and putting on the silly hats, reading a story, exploring in our nature niche.
As much as possible, we want to be able to do it for free. We know we're a low-income community, that many families in our community can't afford to take a trip to Seattle or Olympia to the children's museums there. We want them to have a safe, positive place that they can go to here in Cowlitz County to learn and play with their families together.
It's something that I think is really important for us to have in this community. It's one of the only places that you can come for free and spend time with your family. And so it's just really important that we are able to stay open and stay free for our community.
Since we have reopened after being closed for 2 years due to the COVID-19 pandemic, we have come a long way.
And all the volunteers we had, we lost many of them. And so we pretty much had to start from scratch. So we now have done a lot of work, and we're up and running again.
We have started lots of special projects and special programming within our museum, and we are so excited to begin sharing that with the community even more.
So, what I am here today is to try and drum up more people to come, more parents to support us.
We need more help so that we can stay open and continue to keep it an engaging place for our families to come and visit.
We do need your support, and that could be as far as coming in to be a volunteer for the museum, and offering financial support if you're able to.
To keep our CDM vibrant and going.
And with your support, we would be able to offer even more opportunities for the children and families of our community. We love being able to serve the Cowlitz, Lewis, Wahkiakum, and even into Clark counties. And we would love to be able to continue doing that with your help. So thank you very much.